The I-1 Rapid Recertification Assessment consists of all I-1 requirement statements that would be included in a full I-1 assessment performed using the same CSF version. However, in the I-1 Rapid Recertification, some of those requirement statements are not required to be evaluated and may instead have scores rolled forward from the previously completed I-1 assessment. To understand which requirement statements are required to be assessed in the rapid recertification and which are not, we will first consider the previously completed I-1 assessment. The gray circle here represents the requirement statements included in the previous I-1 assessment. This black circle represents the I-1 requirement statements included in the rapid recertification. The rapid recertification uses the current CSF version at the time of its creation, which will likely be different from the version used in the previous I-1 assessment. As you can see, these circles don't fully overlap. This is due to the possibility for requirement statements to be removed from or added to the I-1 selection as a result of the quarterly threat analysis performed by HITRUST. The first set of requirement statements that must be assessed in the I-1 Rapid Recertification Assessment includes those that were added to the I-1 requirement selection since the previous I-1 assessment was performed. The second set of requirement statements that must be assessed in the I-1 Rapid Recertification is a sample of 60 requirement statements that were scored in the previous I-1 assessment. The third set of requirement statements are those that were marked as not applicable during the previous I-1 assessment. As long as material control degradation has not been detected in the rapid recertification, the remaining requirement statements are not required to be reassessed during the rapid recertification assessment and instead will have their scores rolled forward from the previous I-1 assessment.